Hello, my glam bugs and all my stoners out there. Welcome to this 420 edition of today's show. We are going to do something jelly, smoky, graffiti inspired, and it's all going to be celebrating the beautiful plant that we call cannabis. I'm going to start with this lovely color of purple by Saviland. We're actually going to do 3 coats, but I'm just going to show you the one because we're keeping this short today. For reasons. I made another video. I didn't like it. I really didn't like it. So I tossed it. That's it. It's gone. I can't think about it one more second. Just thinking about it makes my eye twitch. I swear to you, it does. So that's how much I disliked it. So I thought about the things I had in my collection and the ways I could use them to put together a set really fast for you. And in about 30 minutes, I put this together. So I hope you guys like it. I've got that little cannabis sticker there. This is the only one I have that actually looks like that. So I decided to use it as a stencil. And I thought that gave it a very graffiti vibe, you know, like if you were using a stencil and spray painting around it to leave the impression. So that's what I decided to do. And I have to say, I love it. I think I wish I had not used the green. It's the color that shows up the least. I wish I had used like an orange or maybe a bright pink or blue. But it's fine. It's a little more subtle than the others, and that's fine. That's a good look. It makes people have to look at your nails just that much longer, and nothing wrong with that, right? One thing I'm going to say that I did not include in the video, when you get done with these nails, you're going to want to do a base coat, but you want to have a lot of product on your brush, because you don't want the brush to actually touch the nail, because it's going to drag that powder with it. So you want the ball of polish to do the whole job for you. So just make sure you have a juicy base coat and just glide across the nail so that you don't drag your color, because otherwise it's not going to be the look that you're going for. And look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. I am in love with the cannabis leaf nails. But now we're going to do a couple of smoky nails because, you know, many people consume their cannabis by smoking it. And that is a lovely way to consume your cannabis. So use responsibly. There you go. And that is a blooming gel. You could do the same thing in top coat if you didn't want it to bloom as much, or you could use blooming gel and cure it faster than I am. I did not. I wanted it to sit and really bloom out and give that really cool smoky effect. So now we're going to come in and hit these with some top coat and add a couple of purple gems to make everything a little more fancy. I could go either way with the gems, honestly, and I'm only going to show you a couple of them because I wanted to get this video done, because it is coming up super late because I had to redo it. And I didn't have to, but I really wanted to. Guys, this is our graffiti smoky cannabis inspired set. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I hope if you're celebrating the high holiday that you enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful time, guys. We're gonna see you on on Tuesday. Sorry, this is Saturday. On Tuesday for another awesome video. You guys have a wonderful 420. Mwah! See you next time. Bye-bye.